Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal business account in the US. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open paypal.com/US to open the US version of PayPal. Once it's opened, what you have to do is simply click on sign up button. It will ask you if you want to create a personal account or business account. So obviously we will click on business account and click on get started. It will ask you for the first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and then the phone number. So this is the most crucial part of signing up with a USA business account of PayPal. So how do you get a number of a USA because you do not live in USA? The first and the easiest way and the most reliable way is that if some of your relatives live inside USA, then you can call them. If they're a trusted person, then you can call them and ask that if you want to create a PayPal account. But if they refuse, don't worry, I got your back. So what you have to do is simply open a new tab and open this website called sms-man.com, and you have to create an account with this website. Once you have created an account and signed in, then you will see this type of page. So what you have to do in the home page or the dashboard of this website, you have to select a service, and in the search bar you have to type in simply PayPal. Obviously select PayPal. Now in the select your country section, you have to select USA. If you cannot see USA, simply type USA, and you will be able to see that you can rent a USA number for only $0.93. But here's the catch. If you click on buy SMS, it will say that it needs more funds. Please recharge your balance or charge your balance. So we need 0.93 in our balance. Our balance is now 0. So what I will simply click on top up, and it will open a new tab, which is the payment section, and there are tons of ways with which we can pay to this website. If you're not comfortable giving your Visa information, then you can select WeChat, Alipay if you live in China. If you live in India, you can also Paytm, UPI, PhonePe. But if you're comfortable with cryptocurrency, they also have cryptocurrency. So simply select the desired payment method. So I will select Visa just for demonstration and click on pay. Now it will open a new page. So I will give all the information about my card and click on continue. So if you think this website is sketchy, then I have also already checked that. As you can see, the trusted score or the trust score is 100%. So this website is legit and not scam. The minimum amount of renting, for instance, if I click on top up your balance, the minimum amount is $10. If I type, because only 0.94 is required to rent a number, if I only type $1, it will give me an error. So this is the catch. The minimum payment amount for selected payment method, once you pay and top up to your balance, you will be able to rent a number, and you have to simply give that number or paste that number into this section. Once you paste that number here and then click on agree and create an account, and you have successfully created a PayPal USA business account. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.